Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious veggie salad dressing. Start by gathering your fresh ingredients. We'll explore various healthy oils and acids that form the foundation of any great dressing. Understanding these core components is key to customizing flavors and textures, ensuring your dressing is always perfect. Now, let's elevate your dressing with flavor enhancers. Fresh herbs, a touch of natural sweetness, or a hint of garlic can transform a simple dressing into something extraordinary. Experiment with different combinations to find your perfect blend, making every salad a delightful experience. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. On another note, making healthy veggie salads is even easier with the right tools. Check out these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers. They're perfect for keeping your dressing separate until you're ready to eat. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your ingredients are ready, it's time to blend them together. A good whisk or blender ensures a smooth, emulsified dressing. Remember to taste and adjust seasonings before storing it properly. An airtight container will maintain freshness for several days, ready for your next meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.